I thought I was eating healthy until my blood sugar kept spiking. Turns out 5 everyday foods were quietly working against me, and once I cut them out and added just 3 simple habits, everything changed. More energy, better sleep, and stable sugar levels. Most people have no idea how much these foods affect their diabetes. And stick around, because number 5 is my secret weapon that changed everything for me. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Let's jump in and take control of our health together. Your body will thank you. Food 1. Fried foods. I used to love munching on crispy French fries or fried chicken, thinking they were just a treat. But when I looked into it, I found these foods were wreaking havoc on my blood sugar. Fried foods are loaded with unhealthy fats like trans fats that slow digestion and make blood sugar levels unpredictable. I noticed my glucose would spike and dip, leaving me tired and foggy. Plus, those fats can pack on extra pounds, especially around the belly, which makes insulin resistance worse, a big issue for type 2 diabetes. After cutting back on fried foods, like swapping fries for baked sweet potato wedges, I felt more stable and energized. Try skipping the fryer for a week and see how your body feels. You might be surprised. Food 2. Sweetened breakfast cereals. I used to start my day with a bowl of what I thought was healthy cereal, only to find out it was packed with hidden sugars. Labels like honey or natural syrup sound nice, but they hit your bloodstream fast, sending your glucose on a roller coaster. I'd feel a quick burst of energy, then crash, feeling hungry and cranky an hour later. When I switched to plain oatmeal with a handful of berries, my mornings became so much smoother. No more spikes or crashes. Check your cereal box for sneaky sugars like high fructose corn syrup, and try a low sugar, high fiber option instead. It's a small change that made a big difference for me. If these tips are hitting home, consider subscribing for more natural health ideas like this. I share new ways to feel your best every week, so hit that button and join our wellness family. Food 3. White bread and refined grains. I was a bread lover. White toast, bagels, you name it. But I learned that refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pasta break down into sugar almost instantly, spiking my blood glucose like crazy. Without the fiber from whole grains, my body couldn't handle the rapid sugar rush, and I'd feel sluggish afterward. Switching to whole grains like quinoa or whole grain bread was a game changer. I noticed my blood sugar stayed steadier, and I didn't get those afternoon slumps. Try swapping one refined grain meal, like white rice for brown rice, and track how your body responds. It's an easy fix that works. Drop a comment and tell me which food you're switching to after cutting out on white bread. Food 4. Full-fat dairy. I used to think whole milk and creamy cheeses were fine in moderation, but they were sneaking in trouble. Full-fat dairy has saturated fats that can worsen insulin resistance, making it harder for my body to manage blood sugar. I also found it was raising my LDL cholesterol, which is risky since diabetes already puts us at higher odds for heart issues. When I switched to low-fat or plant-based options, like almond milk or Greek yogurt with no added sugar, I felt lighter and my numbers improved. I still enjoy dairy, just smarter choices. Try cutting back on full-fat dairy for a couple of weeks and see if you notice a difference. Food 5. My secret weapon, sugary drinks. Here's my secret weapon for better blood sugar control, ditching sugary drinks completely. I used to sip on soda or sweetened iced tea, thinking they were harmless. But those drinks are like liquid sugar bombs, spiking my glucose faster than anything else. They're also empty calories with no nutrients, which didn't help my energy or weight. When I swapped them for water with a splash of lemon or herbal tea, my blood sugar became so much easier to manage. I felt less thirsty and more focused within days. Keep a water bottle handy and try flavoring it naturally. It's a simple switch that transformed my health. 3 key habits to manage diabetes. Beyond food, I found a few daily habits that keep my diabetes under control. First, I move my body for 30 minutes most days. A brisk walk or gentle yoga boosts my insulin sensitivity and keeps my heart healthy. I started with just 15 minutes and worked up. It's doable. Second, I check my blood sugar regularly. Using a monitor helps me see how foods and activities affect me so I can tweak my routine. It's like having a roadmap for my health. Finally, I stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps my body flush out excess sugar and prevents spikes from dehydration. I aim for 8 glasses a day, and it's made a noticeable difference. Drop a comment and tell me which other habit is your go-to in managing blood sugar. Key takeaway. Here's the big takeaway. Managing diabetes starts with smart choices that work for your body. By avoiding fried foods, sugary cereals, refined grains, full-fat dairy, and sugary drinks, I've kept my blood sugar steadier and felt better overall. Pair that with simple habits like moving daily, checking your levels, and drinking water, and you're setting yourself up for success. What's next? Now there's one more piece to the puzzle most people miss: the right fruits. I put together a powerful video on the top 7 fruits that actually help lower blood sugar, naturally and effectively. But most diabetics skip #4, and it could make all the difference. Tap here to watch next. Your body will thank you.